Hello, it's Roy from HTS. We thought we'd just do this quick video to highlight the benefits of the ISOL8 granules. It's a product we've sold for a number of years now, but not known to everybody just how unique this product is. And we often get asked, what's the difference between ISOL8 and the standard granules? So here's Dave to do a quick test. We've measured out ½ a litre in each one of these jugs of waste oil. We're going to pour it into these pots here, and we're actually going to put it to the test and see if it does absorb more oil than the standard clay granules as it claims. So I'll deal out the oil. So equal amounts of oil in each pot. Then I'll take the standard cheap clay granules. These are from one of our competitors. Now these are often just sold on price. As we all know, clay granules aren't ideal. But I'll measure out now 2 pots of granules, equal amounts in each pot, and pour it into the ½ litre of oil. See how well it absorbs and deals with this spill. So that's one pot. There's still quite a lot of liquid floating there. Do another level pot. We'll just see how that gets on. You will notice as I'm pouring it in that there's that nasty dust coming off it, which is a characteristic of cheap clay granules. So something else to bear in mind. Then I'll take the ISOL8. It's a much lighter product, comes in a smaller bag, makes it very ideal for people, especially in service vans where weight can be an issue. But we'll take 2 pots of this. And see how well it deals with this spill. So it certainly does look like it's faster acting. And you haven't got any of that nasty clay dust coming off the product, which isn't very nice for the user. So equal amounts in each one. Let's see when we start to mix it up a bit how well it works. So just mix it in. Still a lot of fluid there in this one, and then also the same with the ISOL8. So this claims that it soaks up to twice as much oil, which makes it more cost effective. Although it is more expensive per bag, it will go twice as far. So very quickly you can see, if you can, that the ISOL8 product has soaked up the oil completely, whereas in here with the traditional clay granules, I've still got a lot of fluid. I'm trying to mix it in, but there's still a lot of slush at the bottom, so it will make it very hard to deal with this product, leaving a lot of residue on my gloves. Whereas the ISOL8 is dry, it's soaked up completely, it's cleared up the mess. So here we've got the clay granules, been in here for quite a few minutes now. When we pull this back, first of all you'll start to see a lot of oil still unsoaked on the bottom. And here you can see the oil seeping out of the product. Hasn't done a very good job in absorbing that oil at all. But if we move over to the ISOL8, I do the same. You can tell there the oil has been completely absorbed by the product. It's now safe, ready to dispose of safely and cleanly. So in short, we proved here that the ISOL8 product that we've got here is far more effective than your clay granules. Although we've used the same quantities in each here, you could have actually got away with only using half as much. So it goes twice as far. Another point to note is when you do have to use this product, especially in a pit or somewhere where you've got checker plating or on the floor, this product is far less slippery than the traditional clay. You can see here it needs another load in there. There's oil still sitting on the surface that hasn't been absorbed. So that's the ISOL8 product from HTS. Demonstrated here, it does live up to its name and it is as effective as it says it is.